Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remote play on Steam. Alright, let's begin. Open the Steam app on your desktop. Click the Steam option at the top left, then select Settings. A new window will appear. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click Remote Play. Enable Remote Play by checking the box. Next, enable Advanced Host Options. You will see a few settings. If you want sound from the host computer, leave Play Audio on Host enabled. If your PC has high-end graphics, you can disable hardware encoding. For mid-range PCs, it is better to enable it to improve performance. Also, turn on Change Desktop Resolution to match Streaming Client to make gameplay smoother. Leave the rest of the settings as they are. To use Remote Play, sign in to another PC using the same Steam account. You will be able to start Remote Play right away. If you want to use a mobile device, download the Steam Link app. Open the app and it will generate a code. On your PC, go to the Pair Steam Link section and enter that code. Once the devices are paired, you can choose Remote Play on your phone and stream games directly. So that's basically how you can remote play on Steam. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.